This is the digital point and shoot camera designed especially for teens and students. This compact camera records in a 1080 and captures up to 48 megapixel photos, making it a simple option for everyday photography and video. It has a HD flip screen, which is great for selfies or vlogging, since you can see yourself while recording. That makes it very beginner friendly. There's also a built-in LED field light, which help brighten shoots in low light situation. It's useful to use indoors or during evening photos. The digital zoom allows you to get closer to your subject, and its lightweight design make it easy to carry in a backpack or purse. Overall, it's a simple, easy to use, and it's ideal for beginners who wants a straightforward way to take photos and videos.